okay using direction track in the snow. So getting late on, so the light's low. But it's interesting to see how the drone copes with the snowy ground. Seems to be doing okay. Temperature's a bit minus, 7 this morning, and I was out flying it, and it worked fine. So that's good. Went through the forest, and I had to be careful when I flew through and above the trees, because it would start to lose its the Wi-Fi signal, because I'm using it off the phone. But other than that, it worked great. Got some amazing photos in places I would not normally fly the big drone. The great thing about the Neo is it's really easy to use. You literally take it out of your pocket or small case and start it up. Takes 10 seconds, and then press the button for the basic maneuvers. You don't need to connect to the phone. So it's connected to the phone just now, and I'm speaking through the phone, so I should get audio in this. So this is the slightly more natural audio you get from the phone. There's no speaker. I know speaker microphone that I'm using is just through the actual phone's own microphone and speaker. So it'll give you a good idea how well that actually works. So direction track, what I've noticed is that it's going ahead fine, but because I'm in a narrow track with trees, if I move slightly to the side, I've got to be careful. It seems to make big adjustments when I go to the side, and potentially, if you're in a narrow corridor, it potentially cause problems. So that was quite a narrow bit there, and I wanted to avoid the tree in the left, and then it swung quite close to the tree in the right, so that's something to be aware of in direction track. So beautiful winter's evening in Cairngorm National Park. I'm just up at the hills at the back of Slough. Now I'm going to basically turn the drone around a wee bit. In fact, I'm going to run past it to see what happens, if I can pick up the... Whoops! It's actually going quite well. I'm surprised. I'm going quite fast running, and I'm going quite fast running. The drone is definitely... It's still tracking me, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it'd track me about a slow walking pace, but that's definitely a big improvement from the past. So, whoops. A few folk have been out in the cross-country skis here, and tomorrow I'll probably go out. Right, that's the battery going down, so I'm going to have to land it.